Hi everyone, today I want to introduce these light bulbs. They are 15 watts and they come in 12 pieces, and look at them. Look at that. So if you have devices like this, like small devices, and they require only the 15 watt, the small one, the small tight one, this light bulb is what you're looking for. Okay, so I have deassembled it, removed the cap, removed this one, and I'm gonna take out the old light. Okay, because it's not working anymore, and well, what a bummer. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be after I install. So you bring it and you twist it inside. Oh my god, it took me a minute to take all of these out, and now I'm gonna just like reinstall all of this back inside. Wow, I'm gonna do it offline and then gonna get back to you again. And this is the top part. I still need to put the screws back from inside, and let's try it. Here's the switch. Okay, let's try the light. It's working! It's working again! Oh my goodness! This kind of light only takes this kind of light bulb. As I was saying, this kind of lights and devices take only this 15 watt, the small one that is tight, not the big and standard ones. You need the small ones. It's working on my device. I really love it. Highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Cheers. There you go.